So the world is changing. The world we live in is completely dependent on fossil resources, but the fossil is going to run out. So we have to go back to nature. We're going back to the future, if you like. And so what we have to do is we have to develop these technologies and understand the potential of these technologies to really create value for society.
Factories of the future will look completely different to factories of today. The products will communicate with the machines. Each part will have a cyber-physical twin. And basically this cyber-physical twin will keep data on the part, where it was machined, where it was stored, what temperatures it was stored at, where it was located, and also into the supply chain, where it's going to be shipped to and who's received it. The whole digitization of the supply chain and the factories of the future will enable us to keep a track on products from the cradle to the grave.
The impression that 3D printing was people make simple toys or little polymer components, but actually the technology has gone much further beyond that. There are now aircraft in the sky that have propellers that are 3D printed. In Ireland, over 50,000 medical implants for knees and spinal use are 3D printed. In fact, Ireland leads the world in terms of 3D printing by metal.
So the brain represents a fantastic challenge for medicine. Brain diseases are an enormous burden on society, and until we understand what causes them, we're not going to be able to cure them or to treat them better. So the Future Neuro Centre builds really on discoveries that we've made about how the brain becomes dysfunctional in certain neurological diseases. So the funding allows for the first time to bring together neuroscientists that have been working on these neurological diseases with clinicians who are treating patients. But in addition to that, it allows us to bring together scientists from other disciplines and areas that are critical. So this includes geneticists, chemists, pharmacologists, and even people working on electronic connected health solutions.
In essence, we are about bioeconomy 2.0. Because the bioeconomy has existed for a long time, but now the bioeconomy has to change, it has to transform itself. And that's what Beacon is about. This Bioeconomy Research Centre is about combining all of those disciplines and, for example, using technologies to extract out a compound of value, or, for example, to use fermentation or chemical technology to convert that resource into something of higher value.
The Confirm Research Centre will essentially do three things. We will develop new technologies, fundamental research in manufacturing, where we'll be training PhD students. We're also doing our spoke research, where we are carrying out industrially targeted projects. And this is where we work directly with the companies. To do that, we are going to have some test bed facilities, and we're also building a headquarters at the University of Limerick, where the companies will come in and work with all the researchers from all the partners in Ireland.
Manufacturing, as I've highlighted, is of key importance with respect to jobs in Ireland. Firstly, a research centre of this type is very much a collaboration. We're working with world leaders in terms of their technology, but we can assist them in areas such as the introduction of digital technologies, Internet of Things, smart technologies, to make their processes more efficient, to reduce waste and enhance sustainability, and above all, enhance profitability of those companies.
It's really exciting. Doing research in manufacturing will now lead to sort of engineers of the future with a multidisciplinary talent base.
Working on the brain is all I've ever wanted to do. It fascinates me, and this is a really exciting time for neuroscience and for neurological disease research.
To be able to see products being made, to be in the process of making them, to be with the students who really enjoy and get excited about it, and then to actually work with our industry partners in terms of transferring that, it's really exciting.
I think research is fascinating. I think no 2 days are the same. The government, through SFI, are funding innovation. They're taking a risk on research. It's not guaranteed a success, but they are pushing the boundaries so that we can innovate and create a culture of innovation.